This thing's really spring loaded. So you got to really hang on to it. And don't let nobody slam it because it'll bust the, trust me. And hold on to it because you feel it. It's got a lot of power.
Yeah.
It pulls back.
Well, that's why I thought
People
it was.
grab them and they let them slam, and it just pisses me off.
That's what I thought. Now, if you're running it down the road and you don't want to run the generator,
just run those inverters.
And you just want to run the one air conditioner or something like that.
Let me show you. Let me show you that. So you can open this up. Okay, you got your 3 batteries. These are your shutoffs for your batteries. You want to flip those on? Okay, all 3 house batteries are on now. So, and that's what I was going to say. There's no reason for you to run that inverter on your way home because it's not hot. You can watch all your TVs and everything you're going to need in this bus just on this inverter. So I'm going to come over, I'm going to turn the key on. And these are push button starts, they're not a key start. So you'll press your button right there and the bus will fire up. You're going to raise this up and you're going to press down on this for your high idle, and you'll hear the bus go up. Now this is also when you're going down the road at 60 miles an hour, you hit that, that's your cruise control. Let off the fuel. So now we're going to go to the inverter. This is my inverter right here. I'll press my inverter on. It's going to tell you that it's charging the batteries. Okay, and this is your on and off. It's pretty simple. You'll get used to it.
There's so many like bells and whistles on this thing.
There is, and you'll have it for 6 months before you learn it all.
Going over and making sure.
I was going to have you pull it up to the barn and we'll get some water in it.
Ooh, show me that smile.
That should be all right.